y'all, it's Fortune Frankly and welcome to Fortune Frankly Fridays, where we do DIY home decor and more. And that's every Friday, by the way. Every Friday is Fortune Frankly Friday. So you may have noticed, depending on where you are in the world, that spring is here. I haven't noticed a difference. I'm in Miami, so the weather's the same here all the time. But I'm feeling the spring vibes. After that equinox, oof, I felt it. In today's video, we are doing some Easter DIYs. We're taking on that Easter aesthetic, think Easter baskets, Easter eggs, bunnies, right? So we're gonna be doing 3 really short, really simple and easy DIYs for this video, and let's get started. For our first DIY, we're making a bunny garland. I initially got this idea from a blog called Modern Parents, Messy Kids. I'm not a modern parent, but maybe I might be a messy kid. Y'all don't want to see my room right now. Let's just say that. On the blog, they did it with Easter eggs, but we'll be doing this with bunnies, not real bunnies, okay? I know rabbit's foot is good luck, but we don't do that here on this channel. For this project, you'll need paint chips, a bunny printout, a hole puncher, and some twine. Starting with our paint swatches, we want to fit the bunny stencil kind of thing that we're going to make onto it. And I printed this out. It's just like a silhouette of a bunny, and it'll fit twice on our paint chips, so I'm going to cut those in half, cut the bunny printout down to size, and I'm going to cut it out along with some of my paint chips. Now I'm using 6 paint chips in total and cutting them in half. I have 12, and you can get these for free at any hardware store, paint store, unless you go to one of those bougie ones where you gotta buy the whole paint book. We are frugal here on this channel, okay? After punching 2 holes on our bunny cutouts, we're just gonna string them along our twine. So I'm gonna just order them by color, doing the light bunnies first and then the dark bunnies. That may sound, a little discriminatory, but it's the aesthetics here that we're going for. Yeah, maybe I should have put the dark bunnies first. Maybe I should have intermixed the bunnies, but I didn't. Cut the twine on the ends and hang your garland up. For project numero 2, we are decorating a bunch of Easter eggs. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I saw they have a bunch of different types of cute eggs. I was like, how am I gonna top this? For $1? Come on. But I decided I wanted to design my own just to give them, some fortune flavor. For this project, you'll need a dozen wooden eggs, spray paint, acrylic paint, dimensional paint. Basically, we're doing all the paint here. All right, so be ready. And heat shrink sleeve egg decorations. Ooh, that's a tongue twister. Heat shrink sleeve egg decorations. Kind of sounds like eat, pray, love decorations. Now I know that price is a little high, we need to cut it, but let's do a Jessie J, it's not about the money, money, money. Forget about the price tag, okay? And I just want you to know you can use whatever you have. I had a lot of these things except for the eggs and the heat shrink sleeve wraps. That being said, starting with our wooden eggs, I'm just gonna give each a light coat of spray paint. And I'm using the following colors that I'll leave linked below. Terracotta, white, serenity blue, rustic pink, and coral. You don't want to watch me spray paint, do you? Oh, you did. You're not getting that in this video. Maybe next time. Y'all know how to spray paint. You know, I believe in you. I'll see me more. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at how cute these eggs are looking. So taking my egg pedestal, aka an upside down mug, I'm gonna use the 3D fabric paint to paint some designs on a couple of eggs. And we're gonna do the little dots, a swirl. I'm going for a lot of different aesthetics here, so you'll see some boho kind of things that take inspiration from places like Morocco, Mali. And then you'll see some more whimsical ones, like this one. I'm just taking some acrylic paint and literally finger painting my egg. I feel like I encourage y'all to tap into your preschool days, you know, a lot on this channel, so we're gonna use our fingers. This can be messy, this can be whatever you want, but just like, you know, channel that preschool energy. But not the bad behavior, because we don't do that here. I'm gonna do 3 of the heat shrink sleeve eggs. So I'm gonna cut out some patterns that I like, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Taking the sleeve, I'm just gonna slip the egg into it, literally like a sweater. The best time to wear an Easter sweater is all the time. One with... Now these sleeves are meant to look like traditional Ukrainian Pysanky, which are Easter eggs that are painted using a wax resistant method. They can be very, very detailed and really precise, so I was not going to attempt that today. Yeah, maybe next year. So after our eggs are wrapped, we're going to dip it in some boiling water. Notice that said dip, not drop. Don't do that. Let's try that again. So I'm gonna dip my egg into the boiling water, and I'm only gonna leave it there for a couple of seconds. The heat from the water literally shrinks that so quick. And bam, now you can host a little Easter egg party. I would not advise an Easter egg hunt, you know, because there's nothing inside the eggs. It kind of ruins the experience, but they're nice to look at. For our third and final project, we're just going to give an Easter basket a little makeover. Very, very simple. So for this project, you'll need an Easter basket, black spray paint, nautical rope, and a glue gun. Starting with our basket, we're actually just going to spray paint the entire thing black. I want this to give off, you know, a little farmhouse, a little modern, but definitely a non-traditional Easter basket color. And taking the nautical rope, I'm just going to glue the ends so that they don't unravel, and glue it to the top side of the handle. To fill our basket, I'm going to put some faux plants, fill the bottom up with some newspaper, and then put some raffia on top. Then we can put our Easter eggs inside to complete the transformation. All right, welcome back. So I gotta admit, I had a lot of fun making those Easter eggs. It also takes me back to, when my mom and I used to dye some Easter eggs. So, a little nostalgia like we like on this channel. But I'm curious to know, what was your favorite project and which one do you think you'd try out? If you're feeling lucky, you can go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. And if you're not feeling lucky, I'm so sorry, but I hope to see you again in the near future. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and as always, thanks for watching.